Hi guys, we're back on another video sharing the content. Today I'm here to show Chelly the new counter. She hasn't seen. She's not gonna look, so I'm gonna show her the new counter right now. You excited?
Yes. Because I know it's gonna look good. Because you did it with love.
See how it
Should I close my eyes or just?
Yeah, close your eyes. Flick on the light.
Is there a bump right here?
Okay, just go ahead. Go ahead, look.
Aww. It looks good.
Right?
Oh.
Schmency.
Okay, would you?
Yeah.
This does look good, babe. That was a good idea. To put the thing in the thing.
And it looks like that they did the wall. They definitely don't match.
I mean, no baseboards.
No baseboards and no.
Oh, they painted the wall.
That's it. That's literally all they did. No
Ooh,
baseboards
look at that green.
and no. And they only did one coat.
Well, this is a primer.
Oh.
So now.
Oh, they did one light.
Oh, cute.
Well, where's the switch? Damn, they moved everything on our glass. Hopefully they didn't break it.
Where is the switch?
And they left my gun in that. I thought they were gonna try to take my
So
stuff.
this is just the primer, and then we'll just have to paint white over it.
Yeah, it's still not cold back here either. That's what I said, and it looks like, I don't know what they're doing up there.
They're probably trying to figure out how to route this light.
Oh,
to the
yeah,
vent.
you're right, yeah.
Yeah, we only need one. I think one would be good. Ooh, I hope this is the mirror lady. Yes.
They got it, we gotta go.
Yes.
Oh, they left the ladder. Sweet. Well, they only did one coat. So I guess they got a lot to do tomorrow, and I'll contact Joanne. I'll let her know, like, hey, looks like they only, so you said this is primer then?
Yeah, I think they said because they were going to just do the primer and then we'll paint over it.
So we'll come over here tomorrow and talk to Foster. That's what, or you can even text Foster like, hey, I seen what you guys did. Do you guys have a lot more to do tomorrow, or?
Yeah. They still definitely got to put the baseboards.
Yeah, baseboards and the door trim, that's insane.
Yeah. I think I saw it in here, right?
The
Isn't
trim?
that it? Oh, no. I think that's the trim, right?
Oh, I don't know. That could be. It is 3 pieces.
I think that's it.
So this is the update on the store. They painted the walls, and
That looks good.
yeah, that's almost
So
done.
then we'll do black. Then we got to get the thing underneath.
Yeah, black, the thing underneath, stands, baseboards. What I need to do is go to like Home Depot or something and get that scraper to start on the glass, because that's going to take a very long time to scrape off all that old tint.
I'm not looking forward to
No, I can do it, but should I contact Joanne and ask what's going on?
that. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just let her know, like, hey, we noticed that they did come, but
Maybe just text her. Well, she's sick.
how's she sick?
I called her today. She said she didn't come in the office, and I was talking to her, and she sounds like,
Oh,
she says, I'm under the weather, so I didn't come in the office.
well, then just
maybe
text
just
Foster.
text her.
Yeah, hit up Foster.
No, baby, we'll text Joanna.
Text her what? She ain't seen nothing today. Foster's the one doing this. Let's just stay in touch with Foster.
Yeah, we'll call him tomorrow.
He's easy to call and stuff like that. You want to call him tonight to see if he's coming back tomorrow?
No, we'll call tomorrow.
Because I don't want to bother her if she's sick.
Yeah.
You guys.
Oh, my blue thing in there. I put a
where?
tablet in there.
Yep, so we got everything. We still got to finish these walls. These walls are disgusting, so, but they're so wavy, but
Can you sand them
you can.
with
theoretically.
your gun to
Yeah.
kind of just get this down?
But this is, something was obviously here. Something was here. And then you see, look, you can see the brushed paint. So it's just not, it's a really bad, like all this stuff, we can make all these drips even. They just came in here and literally just slapped paint on the walls. If we take this off, take the mirror out, I can come in here and spray it.
I think this was old paint because look how dirty it's.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Like this isn't even.
They didn't even take this off to paint around it. So, but we got a new mirror coming.
I'm about to go get it right now.
We got a new, oh yeah, we're about to go get the new mirror. We got this thing.
Light fixtures. And
New light fixtures. We're gonna do something with the faucets.
I have a paper towel holder and toilet paper holder. All that needs to be installed.
Yeah.
So the restroom's gonna look decent.
Yeah, the restroom will be cool. Glad they installed the light. Obviously, like she said, looks like that they're doing the electricity for that.
Yeah, because it doesn't look like, it doesn't have a wire like the other one, so they're still trying to figure that out.
We're gonna have to get some type of fan, because once you start, I don't see the AC. Well, hopefully the AC is done by the 14th, whenever we plan on opening up.
Did you turn on the AC?
No, I have not touched it.
Oh, it's not on. It just
No.
sounds like it.
Yeah. Which is coming probably from the other units. And then, I think that's it. So, where's this lady at?
I'm about to, she's in Katy. She is 43 minutes
Oh
away.
my Lord, is it because of traffic?
It's just in Katy. It was
Oh, yeah.
9 minutes. Down 99. Well, it would usually be 30 minutes, but we're like 15 minutes this way. So it's like 30 minutes off of 99.
Okay. Do you want to give us some time to kind of let the traffic kind of cool down for a second?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll just bring in everything or something like that. Take about 10, 20 minutes to bring in everything.
Yeah. Because $10 is really good for this mirror.
Yeah.
This is like a $50 mirror.
Does she have any other pictures to see?
This is the mirror, and then it hangs on two little things. The dimensions.
Does she have any
it's
other?
brand new in box.
Did she send?
Oh, here's the dimensions: 24 by 20.
Once again, did she send any other pictures? I don't want to drive 43 minutes with.
No, it's brand new in the box. There's no pictures. It's in a box.
Can she send us a picture of the box?
This is a picture of the box.
No, that's a picture of the mirror.
This, you don't see this box with the dimensions on it? This is mirror. That's a box.
Oh. Oh, wow. No, I didn't see that. Okay.
Always trying to talk smart to me.
Okay.
Anyways, $10 is really good.
Yeah. So that should work there. And it comes with everything inside.
Yeah, it's brand new in the box.
All right. So we got to pull everything from the car in here, get gas, and then head on out there.
And then come back and then we can just start. We work better in the nighttime anyways.
Yeah. I guess that is primer.
So
Would
you
they-
gonna do another coat on this or no?
No, I think that's done. But oh, okay, they didn't touch our paint. Well, I hope they didn't touch our paint. Nope, they didn't touch our paint.
Sure, even if they did, that's okay. We got a lot of paint.
Yeah. That should have gone fast though.
Oh, we had to do this whole thing.
See, it still looks wet. When you come here, you can still see like
That's what I was thinking.
you can still see like streaks.
Is that gonna go? That's what I was asking. Are you gonna do another? layer?
No, I think it's still kind of curing. It's,
But I think with just everyday wear and tear, it'll be
Exactly.
fine. It looks
It's-
perfect.
yeah.
Thank you for doing that for us.
yeah, it looks way better than it did before. And then on top of that, and see, remember you used to be able to like see the crack here. Now it's sprayed, so it's all even.
Oh, but you glued? Is this where you glued?
Over there is where I glued.
And then we'll do that.
But see, there used to be like a black crack here, but because I sprayed it, now it's all like one piece. And see that down there? It's like, see, you can barely even tell that the floors got like overspray. But
Yeah.
there's just so much that needs to be done on the floors. See the difference right here? See where it was and where the overspray is? Like that hard line right here.
I definitely see it.
So, just a little mineral spirits will get that up. But the whole floor needs to be cleaned. This whole floor is disgusting. We just have a lot of space to fill.
Yeah, this floor's gonna look really good once it's polished.
Yeah.
Mopped, clean, it's gonna smell good.
Yep.
It's gonna look sparkly. The walls are gonna be bright and sparkly.
I can't wait till we start.
Baseboards is gonna be good. The furniture is gonna be good.
pulling all the tables and stuff in here.
Yeah, it's gonna look good.
Yeah. So that's gonna be it for this video. We're gonna go get the stuff from the lady and then start installing everything in the bathroom.
Oh, we're gonna make that the same video?
Yeah, I was gonna make the bathroom part separate, like refinishing your bathroom, but probably not. I guess I'll just add to this video.
Bye.
But this one's already like 9 minutes, so I don't know how much longer I'm gonna make it, but who cares? It don't matter. All right, so let's go outside. Let's go get the stuff, bring it in here, and then go get this thing from this lady.